Hello. Welcome back. You are in the right place. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. You can listen. You can repeat. Both are okay. There is no test. There is no pressure. We take our time here. Today, we talk about English words. We talk about remembering words. Many people learn English words. Many people forget them. They study a word today, they forget it tomorrow. This is very common. This happens to many people. This is not your fault. The brain works in a simple way. The brain saves energy. If something feels useless, the brain deletes it. A word alone feels useless. A word alone feels weak. Words do not like to be alone. Words need a home. Today, you learn one simple idea. This idea helps you remember words. This idea is called context. Context means a sentence. Context means a place. A sentence is a home. A word lives inside the sentence. When a word has a home, the brain keeps it. We practice slowly today. We practice calmly today. We focus on one word. We give it many homes. Let us begin. Let us look at one word. Listen. Cold. Cold is just a word. It stands alone. Cold has no place. Cold has no story. It is easy to forget. Now listen again. Cold weather. Cold coffee. My hands are cold. Now the word changes. Now the word feels real. Cold weather feels outside. Cold weather feels winter. Cold coffee feels bad. Cold coffee feels wrong. My hands are cold feels personal. It feels now. The word has a home. The brain sees meaning. Now the brain keeps the word. This is the context home. Now repeat after me. Cold weather. Cold coffee. My hands are cold. Good. Let us slow down. One word, 3 sentences. The word stays the same, the homes are different. This helps memory. This helps recall. Lists do not help much. Context helps a lot. If you study many words alone, the brain feels tired. If you study one word in sentences, the brain feels safe. Now let us try another word. Listen. Hot. Hot alone is weak. Hot alone is empty. Now listen. Hot weather. Hot soup. My face is hot. The meaning grows. The word feels alive. Hot weather feels summer. Hot soup feels warm. My face is hot feels now. It feels real. Now repeat after me. Hot weather. Hot soup. My face is hot. Good. You are doing well. Notice something important. We do not explain grammar. We do not study rules. We feel the word. This is natural learning. This is calm learning. Now let us continue. Listen to this word. Run. Run alone is unclear. Run alone feels confusing. Now listen. I run every morning. The water runs fast. The bus runs late. Now the word feels useful. Now the word has meaning. Now repeat after me. I run every morning. The water runs fast. The bus runs late. Good. Let us pause for a moment. The word is not alone now. The word has a job. This is how memory works. Now let us use daily life. Daily life is powerful. Listen. Tired. Tired alone is small. Now listen. I feel tired. I am tired at night. I feel tired today. Now the word feels personal. The brain connects it to life. Now repeat after me. I feel tired. I am tired at night. I feel tired today. Good. Daily life repeats. What repeats stays. This is why daily life is the best home. Now let us use another word. Listen. Clean. Clean alone is empty. Now listen. The room is clean. My hands are clean. I clean the table. Now the word has action. Now the word stays. Now repeat after me. The room is clean. My hands are clean. I clean the table. Good. Let us slow down. You do not need many words. You need useful words. One word with many homes is better than many words alone. You are still in the right place. You can stay calm here. We continue slowly. We continue gently. In part 1, you learned one simple idea. Words do not like to be alone. Words need a home. A sentence is a home. Context keeps words alive. Now we go deeper. We use more daily words. We keep it simple. We keep it calm. Let us continue. Let us begin with a new word. Listen. Busy. Busy alone is unclear. Busy alone is easy to forget. Now listen. I am busy today. I feel busy at work. This place is busy. Now the word feels alive. The word has different homes. I am busy today feels personal. I feel busy at work feels daily. This place is busy feels outside. The brain sees value. The brain keeps the word. Now repeat after me. I am busy today. I feel busy at work. This place is busy. Good. Notice something. The word stays the same. The home changes. This makes memory strong. Now let us use another word. Listen. Free. Free alone is empty. Now listen. I am free today. This is free time. The seat is free. Now the word feels useful. The brain understands. I am free today feels time. This is free time feels rest. The seat is free feels place. Now repeat after me. I am free today. This is free time. The seat is free. Good. Let us slow down again. You are not rushing. You are learning deeply. This is how memory builds. Now let us use a feeling word. Listen. Nervous. Nervous alone feels heavy. Nervous alone is unclear. Now listen. I feel nervous now. I feel nervous at work. I feel nervous before speaking. Now the word has emotion. The brain connects it to life. Now repeat after me. I feel nervous now. I feel nervous at work. I feel nervous before speaking. Good. This is very important. Feelings are strong homes. The brain remembers feelings well. If a word connects to feeling, it stays longer. Now let us use a simple action word. Listen. Open. You saw this word before. Now we give it new homes. Listen. I opened the door. The shop is open. My eyes are open. The same word, 3 new homes. Now repeat after me. I opened the door. The shop is open. My eyes are open. Good. You see the pattern now clearly. The brain does not remember words. The brain remembers use. Now let us use another daily word. Listen. Late. Late alone feels small. Now listen. I am late today. The bus is late. It is late now. Now the word feels real. The brain connects it to time. Now Good. Let us slow down again. Do not hurry. There is no finish line. This is calm practice. Now let us use a place word. Listen. Near. Near alone is unclear. Now listen. The shop is near. I sit near the window. My home is near work. Now the word has space. The brain sees location. Now repeat after me. The shop is near. The shop is near. I sit near the window. I sit near the window. My home is near work. My home is near work. Good. You are building something important now. This is not fast learning. This is stable learning. Now let us use a very common word. Listen. Need. Need alone feels empty. Now listen. I need help. I need more time. I need to rest. Now the word feels useful. The brain keeps it. Now repeat after me. I need help. I need help. I need more time. I need more time. I need to rest. I need to rest. Good. Notice something again. These are not difficult words. These are common words. Common words matter most. They appear every day. When a word appears often, it needs strong memory. Context gives that strength. Now let us practice one more word. Listen. Ready. Ready alone feels unclear. Now listen. I am ready now. I am ready to go. The food is ready. Now the word feels complete. The brain understands timing. Now repeat after me. I am ready now. I am ready now. I am ready to go. I am ready to go. The food is ready. The food is ready. Good. You have practiced many words now. But remember this, you do not need many words in one day. One word is enough. 3 sentences are enough. Slow practice works best. Let us repeat the core idea. Words do not like to be alone. Words need a home. A sentence is a home. Context keeps words alive. If you forget words, change the method. Do not blame yourself. Now, before you go, do one small task. Write one sentence in the comments. Use one word from today. Any word is okay. Any sentence is okay. This helps your memory. This helps the channel too. If this practice helps you, subscribe to the channel. We practice slow and calm English here. We practice everyday English. You can listen again later. You can repeat tomorrow. Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time.